Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create a simple lead generation funnel inside SiteEngine. So we'll have simply two pages, okay? So it will be all about people signing up on this first page that I'm showing you here, right? So there is some title, some text, and then some form to sign up. And when they will actually enter the email, they will be taken to this other page, which is like a thank you page, thanking them for signing up, some text, and maybe they will have the option to continue to some other part of the funnel. But we'll just, for this video, like focus on just going from there to there using SiteEngine, and also whenever they will sign up from this form, they will also receive an email that we will define, and also they will be they will receive a given tag, right? So a very simple like lead generation funnel, right? 2 pages and just one email sent to the subscribers. So what we'll do now is actually go in the admin interface of SiteEngine. So I'm already here on my demo website. I have my 2 pages that I just showed you before, and I want to show you how easy it is to actually create this funnel. So I will go here to flows, and that's basically how we create the different interactions between pages. And I will just create a new one called lead gen, or lead generation flow. So for now it's off, meaning that whatever we do, it won't actually affect our visitors, and we'll just turn it on later. So we'll go into that, and this should immediately switch to this view, which is the view to create a new flow. And I need basically to put my different elements now and link them together. So first it asks for the initial step, right? Because you need to put something on your funnel. So here we'll just call it lead generation page. That will be a content. As you can see, I can have many things. We'll just use for now content, delay, email, and also action later. So I will just add that. As you can see, there's funnel nothing, and it tells me to add some piece of content. So I will do that by editing this step here. I want to generate page, and I need to find the lead generation page I defined before. I will set this content, and as you can see, it already put like this little thumbnail of my page that we saw before. Now I will add first the next page, okay? So whenever somebody submits the form, so it found that there is a form in the page here. So whenever somebody submits the form, what do we do? So we go to another piece of content, and now it's created. Again, I will edit this page, and now this will be called thanks. I want again a generate page, and it's a thank you page that we created before, and this will also be the goal for this flow. So basically now we have already our very basic funnel. So just if somebody sign up, it will be taken to this page here. However, there is for now no email sent, right? We promised to send an email. So usually what you would do in some other software, right, is basically go in another email, right, software or email provider. Here, you can just do everything right in SiteEngine. So what we'll do is whenever we submit the form, we'll add another step here. The first one will be maybe an email, but we could do a little bit of delay. So we'll add a delay of here it's 1 minute by default. We'll change that to, let's say, 10 seconds. So we have a delay for 10 seconds, and whenever the delay has passed, we'll send an email. And that's as easy as it is. So we just need to define this email. I already created one. I will show you that to you in a second. So it's called welcome email. So I will show you that right now. So it's in audience. I need to go back here, emails, and I just have this welcome email. As you can see, it's just welcome. It's called welcome to our demo website, and there is just some text here. So let's go back to the flows. We'll do something else. We'll actually tag the subscribers that go to this flow with a given tag. So for that, we'll create an action. So as you can see, there is now another step here, and it asks me to define my action. So I will do an action of the type add tag. And for now, I don't have any tags created, so I will create one. That's here. So I will call it some tag. I will go back in my flow. And what I will do now is edit this one here and select the tag some tag and just click on submit. So here we are, our very simple lead generation funnel. So whenever we submit the form, we take the visitor to this page. After 10 seconds, we'll send this person an email, and we'll also tag him or her with the tag some tag. So that's nice, okay? Because we have our funnel created. So now we actually want to test it and to show you that it's not just some pretty picture, but it actually works. So before I can do that, I need to just jump back quickly and actually turn it on, right? So now it's on, and now it will do whatever we told him to do. And what I will do now is simply go in this step here, and I will show you. I will open it again. So I will close all the pages, and now I have this one, and I will simply enter my email, and let's see what happens. So it should do three things, right? It should take me to the next page. It should register a new subscriber, of course, with the tag some tag, and also it should send this subscriber an email. So I will just put my own personal email here, and I will just hit the download now button. So as you can see, immediately I got taken to this thank you page. Of course, I didn't link any action to this continue. I just linked it to the example.com website. So of course we could continue and have more steps in the funnel here. But let's go back to SiteEngine. I want to see if a subscriber was created. So I will go there into the audience panel, and I have here audience. So as you can see, I have this was created. This told me how it was acquired, right? I'm not coming from any ads or social networks, so it was organic. And I have the tag some tag. So that works. Now we just have to check that we actually received the email. So the delay of 10 seconds should have passed. So let's now go into my Gmail and we'll see if I receive something. And here we go. I received the email, welcome to our demo site. As you can see, it's coming from this brain.com. I just put some dummy data here. You have the email, and of course the necessary unsubscribe button that is added to all emails. So let me go back to the flows here. So this was basically how to create a very simple lead generation funnel using SiteEngine. So I hope that helped you and that it showed you how easy it is to actually create these funnels inside SiteEngine, because you don't have to use any external application. You can all do it on the same page here. You can create your content, delays, emails, actions, and also you could create conditions and other elements of your funnel right inside the same editor inside SiteEngine.